Okay, today we're working with organ, and I wanted to show you guys how you can EQ your organ, where some of the magic sweet spot frequencies are, and then we're gonna put a little bit of reverb in it, and that'll be it. So here we have the Fab Filter Pro Q2, and here's the organ. Let me play it for you. All right, just want to give you a little taste, and you could see my analyzer over here and see where the organ is on the EQ spectrum. So what I want to do first is maybe find the magic frequency of the organ, maybe the sweet spot of the organ. Most people call it the fundamental frequency. Right, so for me, an organ sweet spot is between 200 and 350 is where the magic frequency is for me. So right there, that sounds really good. Let me let's do it before and after. And after. So it adds more body, and let's add maybe some presence. Presence is probably going to be anywhere between 2K and 5.5K. Okay, so we have a present frequency dialed in. Let's do it before and after. Right, and this is after. When the organ is playing, there's not much down here in the lower frequencies, but it's always a good practice to clean up down there. So I'm just gonna put a little high pass filter down there, just to clean up. It makes me feel secure when I do that. So I'm just gonna put some maybe like around here. Here's before. After. And we are going to use the same plate we've been using. So it wouldn't make any sense to work on the instrument and solo by itself without hearing it in the track. So let's blend on the track and hear what it sounds like, and see how we could move these frequencies around if they start clashing with the other. If this instrument start clashing with the other instruments. Let it shine. Know that it's only a matter of time.
you may not have the loudest voice, but you could sing above the noise. The flashing lights, the endless toys, tickle that you're hearing and make it yours.